Welcome back to our gardening and farming channel where we explore the wonders of living organisms. Today we'll be delving into the fascinating world of purpletop vervain. So let's dive right in. Purpletop vervain has a captivating history. Native to South America, this perennial plant has gained popularity worldwide for its striking appearance and beneficial properties. Purpletop vervain is a tall and slender plant that can reach heights of up to 4 feet. It features long, wiry stems topped with clusters of small purple flowers, creating an enchanting display in gardens and meadows. Delicate yet vibrant blooms attract butterflies, bees, and other pollinators. Purpletop vervain thrives in full sun and well-draining soil. It is a hardy plant that can tolerate a range of soil types, including clay and sandy soils. This low-maintenance perennial is drought-tolerant once established, making it a great choice for water-wise gardens. Purpletop vervain makes an excellent companion plant for attracting beneficial insects to your garden. Its vibrant flowers attract pollinators and predatory insects that help control garden pests. Additionally, its tall, slender stems add vertical interest and create a beautiful backdrop for other flowering plants. Purpletop vervain has both ornamental and medicinal uses. In gardens, it adds a touch of elegance with its airy structure and vibrant flowers. It also works well in naturalized landscapes or wildflower gardens. Medicinally, purpletop vervain has been used in traditional herbal remedies for its calming and sedative properties. And that wraps up our exploration of purpletop vervain. Its tall stature, delicate flowers, and ecological benefits make it a captivating addition to any garden or landscape. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more captivating content. Happy gardening!